All right, week 5, day 2 questions. Question number 1. As part of an experiment, what did Navina Shine limit her diet to? Was it A, water, fruit, and tea, B, sunlight, sugar, and water, C, sunlight, water, and tea, or D, sunlight, water, and fruit? Paragraph 1, page 460 will help you with that answer. Question number 2. This text is organized in 2 main parts. The first part describes Navina Shine's experiment and its results. What does the second part mostly describe? Was it A, the long-term and short-term systems of organ failure, B, how Navina Shine had reacted to criticism of her experiment, C, the process by which plants produce energy, or D, the process by which humans extract energy from the plants we eat? Paragraph 6 and 7 on page 461 will help you with that answer. Number 3. Even after her experiment, Shine believed that humans could live on sunlight. What evidence from the text best supports this conclusion? Was it A, so Shine set out to prove her hypothesis, and in May she declared that for the next 6 months she would not eat food? Was it B, what was Shine's mistake? Well, she made several. Most importantly, she misunderstood how energy is produced in plants versus how it's produced in humans. Was it C, Shine does not rule the experiment a failure. Instead, she blames the early termination on several other, more practical factors? Or D, Shine appears to have escaped from the experiment without permanent damage, although she did sustain a steep drop in her weight and some credit card debt. Paragraph 8 on page 460 and paragraph 1 on page 461 will help you determine the answer to that question. Number 4. How can the tone of this article best be described? Do you feel it was A, confused and slightly annoyed, B, sarcastic and very goofy, C, explanatory and slightly condescending, or D, enthusiastic and excited? Question number 5. What is the main idea of this text? Was it A, a woman tried to live off sunlight like plants do but failed because humans and plants produce energy differently? Was it B, because plants can live off sunlight and water, they are further along in the evolutionary process than humans? C, many people have claimed to live off only sunlight, but none of these claims have been proven true? Or D, plants produce food through a process called photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. Okay, so what was the main idea of the whole text? Number 6. Read these 3 quotes from Navina Shine from the text. Plants live on light, and then we eat plants, she concluded. Are we simply not accessing our inherent ability to live on light? I have the feeling my body has reached a point where it has used up all its stored fats and is now looking around for what to consume next, she wrote on Facebook. I suspect this might be the point where it decides either find and hook into the source where it is able to live on light or consume the body for sustenance. From the feedback I am getting, she wrote, it is becoming patently clear that most of the world is by no means ready to receive the information I am attempting to produce. Okay, so why might the author have included these 3 quotes from Navina Shine? Is it A, to express the author's agreement that Shine's ideas and opinions? Was it B, to share Shine's ideas and opinions with the readers directly? C, to suggest that Shine has a better understanding of science than the author? Or D, to show that Navina Shine's conclusions were accurate? All right, question number 7. Choose the answer that best completes the sentence. Shine's experiment received a lot of criticism. Blank, many of her detractors pointed out that even if her theory was valid, famously cloudy Seattle might not have been the best place to test it out. So, the word that fits best on the line, is it A, as a result, B, for example, C, however, or D, meanwhile? Take each one and put it in the sentence and reread it and choose the one that makes the most sense. Question number 8. According to the author, how would Shine have acted differently if she had a better understanding of photosynthesis and how the human body works? Go to paragraph 7 on page 461 to help with that answer. Question number 9. The author mentions that Shine made several mistakes in her experiment. Describe one major mistake that Shine made, and support your description and details with words from the text. Go to paragraph 8, page 460, and paragraphs 1, 3, and 4 on page 461. And finally, question number 10. What is the author's opinion of Navina Shine's experiment? And support your answer with evidence from the text. Go to paragraph 4, page 461 to help with that question.